Hello guys, welcome back in today's crypto technical analysis. Today, as usual, we do a multiple time frame analysis for BTC and Ethereum. We've also discussed some of the scalping setups, which I shared recently via Twitter. However, before we start, got a smaller request, smash the like button in order to grow the channel. Starting from a weekly time frame, the levels are still the same. $23,500 and $24,000 are extremely important support based on a higher time frame. However, don't forget that $25,000 and $25,200 another support levels based on a daily time frame. But when it comes to the weekly, as I said, that we're following exactly the same levels for a couple of weeks now. $23,500 and $24,000 are extremely important. When it comes to the resistance that I gave, the resistance levels with a one condition, as long as we're going to stay above 18,000 and 18,500. In the first place, $30,000 followed by 32,000 and all the way up to $36,000. So the immediate resistance are going to be $32,000 in the coming weeks. However, we should do a further analysis in order to understand what's going on in the market. Based on a daily time frame, the exit level from the bear market, $60,000, first leg down with a daily fake out. Two resistance, that was another two opportunity to exit from the market, $52,000 and $48,000, and then we had second leg down. 4 or 5 months of consolidation, and on my pinned tweet that you can see, I was expecting this dump, and from $60,000 we saw massive, nearly 75%. However, if you take average from 52 and 48, that will give $50,000. From there we saw nearly 70% dump. On the daily time frame, the exit was above $19,000. We exited from the market with a 60% profit. Let's move on to the daily time frame. Yes, as I said, on the daily time frame, this candle was extremely important, and in a single candle we broke the resistance and we had a trend change based on a daily time frame since we lost $60,000 and $52,000. The current condition of the daily time frame at the moment is local resistance. However, 28,200 is going to be extremely important. 28,500 is going to be extremely important resistance levels based on a daily time frame. Without breaking this level and then claim it as a support based on a mid time frame as well, it's very early for us to talk about the bullish scenario. However, the levels that we have to keep an eye on is going to be this level. Also, we've got higher time frame Fibonacci levels. That's going to be based on a daily time frame, $25,100 and $25,228. So as you can see, once we broke $19,200 and $500, we saw based on a daily time frame without getting an exit signal 60%, and with a current price action nearly 40% pump in the market. Moving on with an ETH analysis, we're clear these are the recent trades that I shared publicly. Target number 1 as well as the target number 2 and then the target number 3. We reached to our target levels and we had a trend change as soon as we lost $2,000 level. And as you can see, once we lost the Fibonacci level, retested and we saw a further dump, but we had a fake price action. And again, as I said, retesting in the last videos, I will give another opportunity to enter into market. Target number 1, which we reached, that I'm talking in the last couple of weeks now, $1,750, followed by $1,700. That's going to be target 2, as well as the last target is going to be this level. That's going to be 1650, 1645 is going to be bearish target levels, because daily time frame is under consolidation, mid-higher time frames are under the bear's control, and without breaking 1900 and then 1930, it's going to be early to talk about the bullish trend change. However, as I said, the local levels are going to be target number 1, target number 2 is going to be 1700 all the way up to this level are going to be the bearish target setups. So not much change. However, since the dump, we saw nearly 10% dump in the market. And if you're doing a leverage, you do the maths with it 5 and 10 times. Before we do a further analysis, if you want to learn all these technical analysis what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense masterclass is available, where you're going to learn how to become profitable and professional trader, and it only takes you 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. Moving on with the scalping analysis. In the last video, I gave these levels support and resistance based on a momentum and volatility. We had 3 setups. This was an SFP, fake out, whatever you call it. And there was a bullish setup, which was a fake out. There you had another fake out. As I said, I'm not interested in this fake out. And then we had a bearish setup. So as soon as we saw, as you can see, this candle, that was an SFP, we closed below the resistance. And as I said, I was expecting 3-hour trade. And we had many opportunities to enter. And you can see the market dumped all the way up to 0.618 Fibonacci level. And from this trade, we had another nice 3-hour trade. However, when it comes to this setup, that was a fake out, as I said, invalid breakout, lack of momentum, not interested in this trade. The next setup was, this was a breakout, as you can see. That was another 3-hour trade. However, as I said, I missed this trade. You don't have to take every single trade in the market. Another trade that I gave yesterday, application under 5 and 15 minute time frame, break up or down, looking for another 3-hour trade. And there you go. We had a 0.618. That was a 2-hour already. However, the remaining positions are slightly above this resistance zone. It was acting as a resistance, as you can see. Breakout, retested it, and gave a couple of opportunities to enter on the lower time frame. We reached to 0.618 and we are seeing a V-shaped recovery. And already on this move, I booked some of my profit to art. If you are interested in those type of scalpings, as you saw, 3-hour trade, we missed another 3-hour trade, and the current one, as you saw, is in minor profit. And you can get in touch with me via Telegram. Moving on with a BTC swing analysis, as I said, daily time frame back under the consolidation. So without breaking and closing above this level, 27,900, ideally 28,400 and $500, we have to be careful to talk about the bullish trend change based on a mid as well as the higher time frame. However, a couple of videos ago, as I said, exactly the same setup that I provided. That was a first rejection, and I expected another rejection right from 0.618, the golden pocket, and we got exact rejection right from here, and we saw massive profit. That was a 27,000 first target level, followed by 26,000 the second one, all the way up to the third one is going to be 25,200 and $100 are going to be the target number 3. However, as I said, the bullish scenario you have to be aware of 28,500, and already we saw for the swing setup over 12% dump in the market. And if you're doing leverage, you did the maths for yourself. And we came to an end of this episode. If you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.